Hey guys, Tone Fernandez with Social Lead Hub, and today guys I'm going to show you this simple Facebook profile change that you can make on your profile that will allow you to start generating leads on social media. I use this hack myself and I noticed that 75% of my leads that come from my Facebook profile account when people visit me come from this one hack. So stay tuned, I'm going to go over that right now. All right, guys, so we all know Facebook is still large. It's still huge, even though it has competition from, TikTok and other social media platforms. So there's still billions of people on Facebook. So this one simple hack I noticed when I made this change on my profile that I started to get more leads for my network marketing business. So in my course, the Ultimate Social Media Launch Kit, I believe on day 5, I go over what you can do to your profile to make changes so that you can start generating leads even when you're not active on social media. And one of those I noticed was probably the best one out of all 5 because it generates me the most leads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you from my mobile device. I'm going to show you how exactly I made that change, what you can do, and how you can start generating leads for your Facebook profile. And don't forget, before I get into that and show you that, to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos just like this. First thing you want to do is go to your Facebook profile. And when you scroll down on your mobile device, hit the 3 buttons here on the right, just underneath your name. Go to Edit Profile. When you're in Edit Profile, one thing you see here is it says Bio. In Bio, what you can do is you can put a clickable link there. So for me, I have access to one of my courses, the Ultimate Social Media Launch Kit. But for you, what we can do is I can brainstorm with you and I can give you some ideas of what to put there so that you can start growing your business on social media. Now, one of the tips I want to give you is that if you're brand new and launching your business on social media for your network marketing business, is some ideas of what you can put there on bio area, what kind of link. So number one is you want to give something of free away, meaning that something of value. On my, my course, the Ultimate Social Media Launch Kit, I went over, I think on day 3, some ideas of a lead magnet. That's the best place to put your lead magnet. If it's a PDF download, if it's a video, it's something educational. You don't want to put your duplicatable network marketing link because nobody is going to click on it, number one. And number two, nobody, once they click on it, is going to buy from you or they're going to join your business. So you have to have a buffer that's in between your opportunity and you and them visiting your profile. So when people start to visit your profile, and on day 7 on my course, I talk about content and some ideas to get people to start visiting your profile, right? Get people curious to say, what is this guy, what is this person talking about? And when they visit your profile, what happens is they're going to see that link and it's going to have a sentence with it. That sentence could sound something like this. Hey, what are the top 10 ways people are increasing their energy? What are, if you're in travel, what are the top 10 travel secrets? So it's something of value given away for free that they click on that link, and in exchange you get their name, email, and phone number. And my recommendation for that area is your lead magnet. That's where I get the majority of my leads, and if people opting into my lead magnet is when I put it in my bio. So it's very important that you don't put your duplicatable network marketing link there because you're going to lose credibility if you do that. Now the important thing, from looking just to give you some of the some of the results that I've gotten, in my course I teach how to create a wave of people coming to your profile, right? What you can do to get people coming to visit your profile, and once they do, they're going to look around. So those areas that you change are important because some people are going to say, oh, I want to learn more about this. And your bio is right there, front and center, right underneath your photo and right underneath your name, where it says, hey, if you want to learn this, click here. And the great thing about that is you can generate leads while you're sleeping. You can generate leads when you're not active on social media. People visit your profile. They see that. They opt in. Now you got a lead. You get a notification that somebody's interested in that specific giveaway, and you can follow up with those people. In my course, I also go over, email follow-ups. Once you get their email, how to follow up with them automatically so that they opt in. And one of the stories I give is I had somebody come into one of my lead magnets. I sent a mass email to my list, and the next day I got on the phone with the guy who emailed me back. He said, I'm interested in learning more. We closed a $5,000 sale in my, my main business. So the power of using that area on your bio is huge if you use it right and if you create a wave coming to your profile. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys do find this valuable, feel free to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. As always, your success is important to me.